Lego Review 42101. I got the Lego set that I wanted. Yay. Let's talk about this. The box. It's small, it's lightweight, it's fairly standard. It's got a QR code on one of the flaps and I can't scan it, and yeah. It's just a box. There's cool artwork on the front. That's all there is to it. There's information about the A and B models, but that's all there is to it. The unboxing experience. Here are the contents of the bag. Here are the contents of the box. 2 bags of Lego pieces. One bigger than the other, one full of all those small pins and axles and just tiny bits. A sticker sheet and an instructional booklet. The instructional booklet, it is not very high quality, the colors are a little bit dull, and it's printed on pretty thin paper. And I could see a child ripping it. Like, I had a vision of a child ripping the booklet. It's just easy for them to rip apart. I built the set in around 17 minutes. Speed build. What was that noise? God knows. Here's an actual speed build. It's a decent build. I did it in around 17 minutes again. It's just a pretty decent build. The buggy looks like this without stickers, and it looks like this with stickers. I'm not a huge fan of stickers.
Like a stroll under a bridge, you must have the stickers or you won't pass.
There are 2 functions to this model. Hand of God steering, which is provided by some link coupling thing, and rear axle suspension. Basically, the steering works really well, but the suspension is a little harder to use. The suspension isn't very good, because the model is too lightweight to actually make use of the shock absorber, or maybe the shock absorber is too hard. I wouldn't know. And you can kind of see why shock absorbers only come in those big sets, because it needs that weight of the vehicle to press down on it to actually work. It's a very good looking vehicle. It looks pretty cool. It's a very strong model, and it is not very flimsy. You can pretty much pick it up from anywhere except the steering wheel and be able to play with the buggy pretty roughly. I don't like the hard plastic little tubular things. Totally tubular. They tend to, when you leave them in a set for display, they tend to just get into shape, and they're very hard to get out of shape. So yeah, I don't like those pieces. I'd much prefer something more flexible, something more rubbery. Yeah. The B model. The B model isn't something you see in LEGO Technic sets these days, but it's there. It brings something new to the table. Other than Hand of God steering, it comes with this little piece that you can kind of make the car do a specific pose on. It doesn't make use of the shock absorber. Then again, neither did the A model, really. It's very inventive. Yeah. All things concerned, it's a good model, and I'd recommend it to... I'd recommend it to new LEGO Technic fans. My name's Abraham, and that's all there is to it. Hopefully that was a good take